Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by proving you own the account. First, open settings on an Apple device where you're signed in and note the Apple ID email. Once done, make sure you have the trusted phone number or email ready and any recovery codes. If two-factor authentication is enabled, keep the trusted device nearby. These items speed up recovery and prevent lockouts because Apple uses them to confirm identity before allowing password resets or account changes. Next, attempt the standard reset path. On a signed-in device, go to Settings, Password and Security, then change password. Follow prompts using your device passcode. If you can't access a trusted device, start account recovery and follow the guided steps. You'll receive a recovery estimate. Write it down. Make sure you can confirm at least one recent purchase date or billing detail if Apple asks, because that helps accelerate approval and reduces the wait time for. Finally, sign back into iCloud on each device and confirm photos, mail, and backup are syncing. If something's missing, force a manual sync. If account recovery fails or times out, contact Apple support directly. Provide device serial, proof of purchase, and the recovery case number to speed verification. One key troubleshooting tip: once you regain access, enable two-factor authentication and securely store recovery keys so you avoid this whole process.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.